Hello everyone, welcome to day 26 of recreating complex thumbnails. The today's thumbnail is this. This is from Cool Jam, 7 UI UX mistakes that scream you are a beginner. So, I have two assets for these guys, which are this. Okay. I didn't find these things, so I added these two. Let's create a frame and let's get started. Let's add day 26. And firstly, I'll draw a rectangle, which will be approx half the size of my frame. So 1920 by 2. And now I'll just edit this rectangle and move it a little bit over here. And look, we have our background ready. Let's add a fill and we are good to go. Let me add these two images inside the frame and I have centered them. So I'll just make them like this and we are good to go. So I don't need this, I think so. So I'll just crop it. As well as I'll crop it from here. And let's make the border radius to somewhere near 60. So make it 60. Let's make this one 62. And now let me rotate this a bit. And let's rotate this a bit. Okay. And let's move it a little bit upward to increase its size. Let's increase this one's size too. And move it upward. Let's move this one downward a bit. And let's add text. One day. And let's change the font size to half of this. 500. Nope. Maybe 200. 200 looks fine. 100 day. And we'll change the font to RAM. So now I'll move these two a little bit downwards. And we are ready. 100 days actually. So now we'll have to change their size to 180. This one's 182. Okay. Let's move this to the center. And this is already in the center. So let's make it this white. And we're good to go. Just make the background like this. Okay. Okay, so we have given space to breathe. Now, what I'll do is there's this, a little bit of faded bluish thingy over here, as well as purplish thing over here. So we can do that. Okay. All we'll do is we'll make a rectangle. And let's make it below the foreground. Okay. And now, let me add a fill of this. Let's add a linear gradient with the same color. Okay. And now for this part, we'll change to 0. Now, as you can see, how it's coming. Let's copy this rectangle over to here. Move it to the top. And let's just move it here. And edit it. Okay. And now we'll change its color. Okay. Let's change its color to this purple. As well as this one's. Okay, and let's make it 0%. Now we have got the same thing as our thumbnail. Right, guys? So let me know in the comment section if you liked it or not. And I'll see you on the next day. Please subscribe to the channel. More videos are coming soon. Take care. Bye-bye.